Hi everyone, welcome back to Channeling Luxury. Today I want to do a quick review of the L27 size of the Loro Piana bag. And so I am just new to this designer. And one of the things that's been standing out to me is quality versus price. I had shown you this nearly $6,000 bag. Is this cooler? Yes, but I'm not 12. Is this classier? Yes, but I'm not 70, right? So what's going to be in between? I just don't know. So I want to just do a review of this one, a couple of mod shots, and show you. So it does have two locks, and this is the one that has the case. They call it the pocket inside. For me, or pocket, I was really hoping that meant a back pocket. Come on, guys. Loro Piana, make something with a back pocket, please. Those of us who want to start using your bags, we need that down back pocket. So anyway, this has got gold hardware. It's new for this season, dark brown, dark chocolate brown. I had a really hard time getting this. Every time there was one in, it sold immediately. And so that was kind of a pain. So what's difficult to deal with these bags is getting into them. So, you know, it's a $3,000 bag, which is nice in terms of price, but it's really hard to actually get to your stuff. That's a real pain in the ass for me, to be honest. And then here's the pocket inside that they're talking about that you can just keep, you know, credit card or something in there if you choose. But it's the problem with it for me is just how difficult it is to get your stuff in and out. And you know, that for me will probably be a deal breaker on this design, which is really sad because I think the quality is there for the price. So this is what it looks like. It's a shoulder bag. You're not going to be able to wear this crossbody. I already tried. And you know, so this is what it looks like. But the brown's beautiful, color's beautiful. Having a couple of locks is great. The leather's pretty nice, but it's just inconvenient. The way it's designed is just too inconvenient for me. So I hope this video helps you. If you're deciding in terms of my new rating scale, I think a look is probably a 6. Wearability is a 1 because you can't get your stuff in and out. And then I would say the value would be a good solid 7 because price, you know, $3,000 versus what we're used to seeing at some of the other designers is definitely there. I just can't justify it when I can't get my stuff out. I know I'm going to be pulling that thing and super annoyed. So I'd love to know your thoughts. How do you handle this bag and how do you not get annoyed with it if you're a fan of this one? By the way, next season, there will be a ton of new bags, the small and the larger ones, in different colors and different exotics as well. So I'm looking forward to seeing what they come up with. Have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and thanks for your support.